So it's the 6th of July 2021. Here's asuntojen Roma-tornit, Rongankatu, 5 to 7 stakes B. But we can also try to get to the stakes A later. Now the capacity is 6 persons for 8 rooms, only one of the waiter. For how many apartments? It's 47 to 98. It means there are 50 apartments here. It's quite a lot per building. 100 in total, almost. Or 98 in total. Yes, there are actually 12 floors here. I don't know if the basement floor is locked. This was actually built as early as 1961 by Kone. It's 60 years old. I thought it was 50. Strange. Now, during 60 years old this year in 2021, Mirage 2002 was each turning 20 years old in next year, 2022. But the basement floor is locked. 11 floors open. It's going to be expected in next year, 2022. Yes. This is in Tampere, Finland, and the serial number is H9080. I'd like to get, you can see the Roman numbers here. I'd like to check the wheel.
Yeah.
It's locked.
Yeah.
Key. But there you can see the Tampere material, it's very beautiful. It was actually designed by Lars Shaw. The China. And still without any doors.
Yeah.
But they should have built 2 elevators here. Still, it is big enough.
Yeah.
Probably had MB6 before and mechanical fornication.
Yeah.
The interior was refurbished in 2002.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Expected pakiväistä meidän vaikka on.
Yeah. And I think we have now filmed all the other towers here except this. I think it's able to get there also.
Yeah.
But then there's another new tower finished. I haven't filmed it yet.
Yeah.
It's the only one I haven't filmed. But then of course that Elsa Arena is another tower. With 12 floors. It's also like a tower. But it's not yet finished.
Yeah.
Or will be finished later this year. Because we have filmed all the ones by Särkaniemi and then Amori in Finland. Yeah, everything. So it's only the second here that is left as a tower, older tower.
That's